Hi, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to make your curtains slide easier. Right now they are quite difficult to pull. They are gathering, they're getting stuck. It is not sliding easily. It's stuck there, it doesn't want to move easily. Alright, so of course make sure all the slides and hooks are in place. So in this case there's nothing blocking the travel, but it doesn't slide nicely along the rail. So I'm taking a rubbing alcohol. This is not a hand sanitizer, it has no glycol in, and I'm just removing any dirt that might be on the rail. So just see the condition of the rail. I'm just rubbing this tissue with the alcohol inside here on the inside of the rail, and I can see that it's a little bit dirty, but it's not too bad. If yours is very dusty, you might need to blow out the rail. You might even need to take this off. You can use a blower and just blow out the rail if need be. All right, so the trick here is to just use a lubricant, which is a silicone spray. You can also use a silicone powder. Spray a little bit on the inside of the rail, or you can spray a little bit on your finger and just rub it onto the rail. Doesn't need a lot. I make sure the silicone spray gets all along the rail, and then I just move the curtain up and down, and some on the fingers, just to coat this side of the rail. Notice I do not get any on the curtain. Then I pull the curtain up and down a few times, and already I can feel it's getting better. I'm just doing this a few times just to help lubricate it. Look how easy it moves now that it has been lubricated. And now that it has been lubricated, look how easy it is to pull. The lubrication method works best with plastic gliders. Thanks for watching and cheers.